Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 89 and 90 of Surah Al-Ma'idah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لا يؤاخذكم الله باللغو في أيمانكم ولكن لا is two counts long. لا you for Dhamma, circle your lips, the sound is short. Hamza is very sharp, make it two counts long. Khi for Kasra, give E sound and make Kha heavy. Dhu for Dhamma, circle your lips, the sound is short. Ku for Dhamma, circle your lips, and the sound is short. Whenever Kaf is with haraka, you are not giving hums at all. Ku, mu, keep left meme light, but left se jalala will be heavy because there is the ma before it. Mullo, make it two counts long. Who for the ma circle ellipse. Bil for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Law. For fatha open jaws attached with ghain. Ghain will get sifa of kun, sifa of raqawa, and it will be heavy. Lawi. For wow, circle ellipse, and for kasra give e sound. We fi mad منفصل جائز أي. This is Yailin, so make it soft and make it two counts long, but the sharpness of Hamza will be there. Ay, ma, two counts long. Ni for kasra give E sound. Kum for Dhamma, circle ellipse attached with me will get sifa tawasut and hukmuhu idhar. Huwa makhraj of our circle your lips. La, two counts long. Ki, idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. You, yeah, soft for Dhamma, circle lips, the sound is short. Sharp sound, make it two counts long. Khi, focus to keep E sound, and keep Qa heavy. Udu for Dhamma, circle lips, the sound is short. Kum, ikhfa shafawi, so keep the sound in your nose. Kum, B, focus to keep E sound. Ma, two counts long. Aq, Ain from your throat nicely and attach with Qaf. Qaf will get sifa of shidda first. Aq, Qat, Aq, and Qaf will be heavy and Ain should be from your throat. Aq, Qat, this is idgham. So you're saying letter ta, Qat, tu for Dhamma, circle ellipse. And ta will get sifa of shidda. Shidda. Aq, Qat, tu for Dhamma, circle ellipse. Mul for Dhamma, circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Ay, Hamza is very sharp. And this is Yailin, so make it soft and make it two counts long. Man. Because of this fa. You're giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long over into four. This is madaridless sukun. Then give hams on fa. Whenever you see fa, you're giving hams. For fatha on jaws, the sound is short. Fa, kaf. Fatha on jaws attached fa. Fa will get sifa frakawo. And hams. Kaf, fa, two counts long. Ra is heavy. For fatha on jaws. Two for the circle lips. Who mad munfasil jais, make it four counts long. Iqo, Hamza is very sharp. Focus give E sound attached to ta. Ta will get sifa of qalqala and ta will be heavy. Iqo, Ain from your throat, make it two counts long. Mu, for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. A, eyeing from your throat for fatha upon jaws. Sh, for fatha upon jaws. Keep sheen light. Ra is heavy. T for kasra give E sound. Ma for fatha upon jaws. Sa, 2 counts long. Ki, 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws. Min for kasra give E sound attached with noon will get sifat tawassut. And hukmuhu idhar. Aw, Hamza is very sharp. Make it 2 counts long and make it soft when you are attaching with waw. This is the step it should be soft. Aw, se for fatha upon jaws. Qi for kasra give E sound. Ma, 2 counts long. Tuqa for the circle your lips. Attach it ta. As you will touch ta, your lips should be in a straight position. Ta will be heavy and it will get qalqala. Tuqa eyeing from your throat for kasra give E sound. Mu for the circle your lips. Make it 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon your jaws. Ah. Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws. Attach with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhaw and it will be light. Li, 2 counts long. Kum for the circle ellipse attached with me, we will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Aw, Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws and make it soft while you are attaching with waw. This is lean and make it soft and long. Aw, is, Seen will get sifa of rakhaw and it is light and it will get safir. Kiswa for makhraj of our circle ellipse. 2 for the circle ellipse. Hum for the circle ellipse attached with meme. We will get sifa of tawassut hukmu and hukmuhu idhar. Aw, Hamza is very sharp. Make it soft while you are attaching with waw because this is lean and make it 2 counts long too. Dah, that is sharp, attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhaw, and it should be from your throat nicely. Ri, ra will be light, make it 2 counts long. Uru, ra is heavy for the circle lips, and the sound will be short. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha, it is heavy. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws. Ba, as you will touch this ta, it will be changed into ha because of this fa, and it will get sifa for khawa then. And don't stretch ba because it is not a long vowel. Fa, give hams in fa for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Mal, this is idgham without khunna, so there should not be any sound in your nose at all. Malam. For fatha upon jaws attached with me, we will get sifa of tawassut and hukmu his ha. Yeah, is soft for fatha upon jaws. Jid for kasra give E sound attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala and dal is light. Jid. Fa, give hams on fa for fatha upon jaws. Si for kasra give E sound. Yeah, 2 counts long. Mu for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Tha for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. La, 2 counts long. Tha for fatha upon jaws. T for kasra give E sound. Ay, Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with ya. Ya will get sifa of never. And never is jump of sound. Yeah. Because of this waf, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarid lis sukun. The 2 counts long. Li for kasra give E sound. Ka for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Kaf, give hams in fa and it will get rakhaw. Kaf, fa, 2 counts long. Ra for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short and heavy. 2 for the circle ellipse. The sound is short. I, Hamza is very sharp and make it 2 counts long and make it soft. Ma, 2 counts long. Ni for kasra give E sound. Kum for the circle ellipse attached with me. Me will get sifa of tawassut and tawassut it is medium flow of sound, and حكمه إظهار. E for kasra give E sound. The two counts long. Ha from your throat for fatha open jaws. Left for fatha open jaws attached with fa will get sifa of raqaw. And hums. Tum for dhamma circular lips attached with mim, we will get sifa of tawassut. And tawassut is medium flow of sound. Wah for makhraj of waw, circular lips attached with ha will get sifa of raqaw. And ha will be light. Wah and ha should be from your throat nicely. Fa, give hams in fa for fatha on jaw. Woo, circle your lips and make it 4 counts long. Mad because this is mad. Munfasil jaiz. I hamza the sharpness of hamza should be there, but as you will touch with ya, you will make it soft and make it 2 counts long because this is yailin. A, ma, 2 counts long. Na, for fatha open jaws. For the ma circle ellipse attached with me, we will get sifa of the wasat, hukmuhu idhar. Ka, very clear and uh, light sound. Ka, the 2 counts long. Li, for kasra E sound. Ka, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. U, for the ma circle ellipse, the sound is short. Bay, attach it. Yeah. And ya will get sifa of number, and number is jump of sound. Bay, ye, for kasra E sound. No. While you are giving number, you are not making ya sharp. The softness of ya should be there, or it will be like more here. Bay, ye, for kasra E sound. No. Keep noon light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is the ma before it. No. As you will touch lafz jalala, your lips should be in a straight position and it will be 2 counts long. Who for the ma circle lips. La for fatha open jaws. Kum for the ma circle lips attached with meme. Meme will get sifa of tawassut and hukmu idhar. Very sharp sound of Hamza and then make it 2 counts long. Yeah, 2 counts long. T for kasra give E sound. He 2 counts long. La for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Al, ain from your throat nicely and give the wasut here. Al for fatha open jaws. Kum for the circle lips attached with me will get sifa of the wasut and hukmuhu idhar. Dash. The sharpness of ta should be there and attached with sheen. Sheen will get sifa of rakhawa and tafashi and it is light. Tashku for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Urun. Because of this fact, we are giving temporary sukun. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This mad added the sukun. لا يؤاخذكم الله باللغو في أيمانكم ولكن يؤاخذكم بما عقدتم الأيمان فكفارته إطعام 10 مساكين من أوسط إطعام 10 مساكين من أوسط ما تطعمون أهليكم أو كسوتهم أو تحرير رقبة أو تحرير رقبة فمن لم يجد فصيام 3 أيام ذلك كفارة أيمانكم إذا حلفتم واحفظوا أيمانكم كذلك يبين الله لكم آياته لعلكم تشكرون كذلك يبين الله لكم آياته لعلكم تشكرون يا أيها الذين آمنوا يا 4 counts long. Keep ya light. Ay. Hamza is very sharp. Papa top and jaws attached with ya. Ya will get sifa of number, and number is a jump of sound. You for the circle lips, the sound is short. Ay. Yeah, ay, you, hal, have from your throat, papa top on jaws, attach with lam, lam will get sip of the wasut, la, papa top on jaws, the 2 counts long, na, papa top on jaws, hamza is very sharp, make it 2 counts long, ma, papa top on jaws, nu, mad, munfasil, jaiz, in Hamza is very sharp or attached with noon will get sif of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mal meme will not be long. It is attached with lam now. And lam will get sif of the wasut. Kham, kha is heavy. To make kha heavy, you're not circling your lips, you're just lifting your tongue up and attach it. Meme, you will get sif of the wasut and hukmuhu idha. Uru, right, for dhamma, circle your lips, the sound is short. Well, from makhraj faw, circle your lips and attach it. Lam, lam will get sif of the wasut. May, for fatha on jaws, attach it. Yeah, this is yailin, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. C, focus keep E sound. Oru, Ra is heavy for the circle lips, the sound is short. Well, for makhraj of Fau, circle lips attach with lam, lam will get sif of the wasut. Hamza is very sharp and this ikhfa is heavy. So make it heavy by lifting your tongue up. This heavy, make it 2 counts long. Woo, for the circle lips, the sound is short. Well, makhraj of waw, circling your lips, attach with lam, lam will get sip of the wasut. As Hamza is very sharp, for top on your jaws, attach with za, za will get sifa off. Rakhawa, and it should have safir. As la 2 counts long. Mu for the circle lips, the sound is short. Rij for kasra, give e sound attached with jim, jim will get sifa off. Qalqala. Sum, this is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Min for kasra, give e sound attached with nun, nun gets sifa off the wasut. Ain from your throat nicely. Ma for fatha upon jaws. Lish for kasra, give e sound attached with chin, chin will get sifa off. Rakhawa, and it has tafashi, and it should be light. Lishay, shay. This is yailin, so make it soft, make it 2 counts long. Ta is heaviest letter, so when you are saying ta, it should have إطباق, it should be your tongue should be lifted up nicely. Qa, 2 counts long. Ni, for kasra, give E sound. The sound is short. Faj, give hams and fa, and then attach a jim. Jim will get sifa of qalqala. Faj, ta is very sharp for top and jaws. Ni, for kasra, give E sound. Woo, make it 2 counts long and circle your lips. Who, for the circle lips. La, for fatha upon jaws. Al, ain from your throat. For fatha upon jaws, attach it lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasat. La, for fatha upon jaws. Kum, for the circle lips, attach it mim. Mim will get sifa of the wasat. Tuf, for the circle lips, attach it fa. As you will touch fa, your lips should be in a straight position and fa will get hums. Li, for kasra, give E sound. Hoon. Because of this, what we are giving temporary sukun here, this temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad adat li sukun. يا أيها الذين آمنوا إنما الخمر والميسر إنما الخمر والميسر والأنصاب والأزلام رجس من عمل الشيطان فاجتنبوه لعلكم تفلحون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.